Hello, how are you? This is Els Kimmy from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today I have a project for us. We're going to be making some tags. Yeah, no big deal, right? But what we are going to be doing is using a new type of tag topper, and it's this one right here. And what this is a picture hanger. And you can actually set that in with an eyelet. You can put it in with a brad. You can put it in with a tap. Excuse me, however you want to attach it, but basically it's just this little triangle of metal and a little clip that goes on both sides of the tag. And so we're going to be making a tag with this today, just to take a look at a new way of doing it. All right, so I'm going to get some supplies and I'll be right back. All right, so to do this, we're going to want to tag. Now, I will tell you this, you do not want a very, horribly thick tag. All right, this one is made from packaging and just a thin piece of index card. Okay, so it's not very thick. And you don't want one that's very thick because you have to get an eyelet through it if you're going to be using the eyelet. If you're going to use a brad or a tap or something, you could certainly use a thicker one. All right, so let's talk about these real quick. So this is the one commercially you can buy. And let's open this up. These are Ook. And they are from Hillman Group, and you can get these at just about any hardware store. The thing with them is you see those little poles in the middle? It doesn't really have the flexibility that we're looking for because it only goes so far back. You can certainly use it, and for this, I believe that a larger eyelet will fit in it. That's the small size, and they're called D-ring hangers. Okay, the ones that I'm using are these little ones. We'll use a black one because we used the brass on this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a hole in our tag, and we really want it to be kind of close to the top. We don't want it too deep in there. And the reason for that is because this has to go over it. And then we're going to open this up. This opens, it's basically folded, and it opens up. So I'm just going to put my pokey tool in here and just open that. Let me show you. See, I've kind of split the two ends open. And then I'm going to put that right over the hole. This one I'm putting up a little bit high, and then any eyelet that I want. And these are the little ones. We'll put an orange one in there, why not, right? Because that's ugly. Let's see. I was trying to get that black one, but it escaped me. All right, we'll put in a gray one. We'll be able to see it. So it does protrude in the back, just a little bit, see? And then I'm just going to use my eyelet setter like I would for any other eyelet. And I'm going to press that on. Okay? And there I have it. Now, I'm going to get a tap, and we're going to do this with a tap, and I will be right back. All right, so we're going to give this one a little bit more of an industrial type feel. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to put in my hole just like I did with the other one. Hopefully I'll be a little more on center with this one. And then we're going to open this up again. Just put your pokey tool in there and kind of twist a little bit, and it opens up just a little bit, but it's enough to get it on there. So we're going to put it on, and then we want to put this one on with a tap. So what we're going to do is push And so this is 2 parts, okay? It's a male and a female part. We're going to put the male part through the hole. And then we're going to click the female on the back. Okay? And that's easy. You just push it down. Now, it's on there, but it's not locked. To do that, we need a hammer. Now, it gives us a little bit more play for this. It moves a little bit, so you get a little bit more movement out of it. These are very locked in tight. So where you put them is where they stay. They don't move a whole lot, but that is a nice finish on that one. All right, I'll be right back as soon as I get all this stuff put away. I'll be right back. So there's our 3 beautiful tags. This is the original one that I made, and this is the one that we did, giving it a little bit more of an elevation off of the tag, so you have a little bit more play in the top. This one's kind of rigid. This one, because I put it up higher, has a little bit more play in it, and this one, it's just everywhere. But it's a really nice industrial look. This would be great for like steampunk. I could even see this working for something like boho. Maybe something vintage. But that's it. That's my idea for today. If you're new here, hit the button. Subscribe. Why not, right? Check out the community tab here and over on my Facebook group. Both of those have lists of all the videos that I have coming up. Free classes and things like that. And you can also go over to my Ko-Fi, pick up some free digitals, or swing by my Patreon if you're so inclined. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye.